How to set up screen time in iOS 18.1. Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up screen time on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. It's a great way to manage your device usage and stay on top of your digital habits. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time in the Settings menu. Tap Turn on Screen Time. Choose if this is your device or your child's device. Tap on App Limits and then select Add Limit. Choose categories or specific apps. Set the daily time limit and tap Add. Tap Downtime to schedule time when only essential apps are available. You can add the limit of time duration as well. I'm making this limit to 4 hours per day. It's for the social category only, which includes WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and more. If you have multiple Apple devices, enable Share Across Devices to sync screen time settings and reports. And that's it. Now you know how to set up and customize screen time on your iPhone with iOS 18.1. Manage your screen time wisely and take control of your digital life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.